In today's video, we have a walk around York, take in some of the beautiful sights, try some of the world's best fudge, have a look at an area which was the inspiration for Diagon Alley in Harry Potter, and have a world buffet. And you join us tonight, can you say that? Outside of York Minster. Don't know if you can hear the bells pealing away there. It just sounds like random bells to me, but never mind. They're trying to play a tune. I actually recognise the one they're trying to play at the minute, but I think they're just practicing because there's quite a few dud notes. Like that one. And I've managed to get myself some fudge from the Fudge kitchen. This fudge is the best you can ever get. It is lush, and I have been trying for the last 3 years to get some, but this lady stayed open. She tempted me in.
What can you say?
In all seriousness, that fudge is absolutely fantastic. And it has been 3 years since I had it because it closed down during COVID, and then every other time we've came just a few minutes too late. But tonight she's actually stayed open and I managed to get my fudge. Yum. And now for the street that inspired Diagon Alley on the Harry Potter movies. And they definitely take advantage of that fact. Welcome to the Shambles. This is a different food shop in the Shambles. And you have all these little passages that lead from the Shambles to the Shambles Market, which we've just missed. Wah, wah, wah. Fun fact, a lot of people think this street's called the Shambles because of the shambolic nature of it, but these shelves outside the shop are actually called Shambles. So that's what it's named after, these shelves. This little church slash shrine is supposed to be very haunted, allegedly. The Society of Alchemists. The shop that must not be named. And at the end of the Shambles, if you turn left, takes you up this tunnel into this little tiny street or lane, which has just the most fantastic name. Are you ready for it? This little street here is called Whip-ma-wop-ma-gate. Whip-ma-wop-ma-gate. That is the Golden Fleece pub, which is reportedly the most haunted building in York and the most haunted pub in the UK, allegedly. Well, it's starting to rain here in York, so me and Emma are going to dive in somewhere for something to eat. I'll see what I can film when I'm in British restaurants. Don't really like you filming in them, but yeah, see you soon. So there you have it. That was Panda Mammy World Buffet here in York. We're going to head back to the car now because we are full and tired. Yep, that's me. Well, that concludes our little trip out to York tonight. And all being well, we shall see you all tomorrow. And now it's time to do your job. And he didn't say it.
Rising up.
Tired. Oh, yes.